12, that's how many return to office grievances the administration has lost in the last year. Number 12 landed Wednesday. An arbitrator looked at what the agricultural department did to rural development employees. It ended telework, then it ordered them back in, and it never bargained at first. The arbitrator wrote that the USDA, quote, committed unfair labor practices when it engaged in bad faith bargaining and implemented a rule that conflicted with the existing agreement, end quote. I don't really think this is controversial here, right? It was notable she used the word agencies almost never hear about their own contract, quote, the nature and scope of the agency's breaches amounted to a repudiation of the agreement, end quote. 135 employees, 46 of them had remote work as a condition of employment. So everyone is telling you what you lost this year, and approaching it, I'm trying to keep everybody mindful. Many things are still standing, and there's now a 12th win here. For most of you, collective bargaining agreement is still in a contract. Agencies keep losing these cases because they treated telework as a policy they could announce instead of a term they had to negotiate. Arbitrators now said so at IRS, HHS, HUD, Social Security, EPA, and the Forest Service. Arbitration is still there. The arbitrator ordered USDA to put back the telework and remote agreements that were in effect as of April 2025 and to actually sit down and negotiate any changes to them. Money is real. She's ordered reimbursement under the Back Pay Act and the Travel Expense Act for costs employees absorb over the last 18 months. 18 months of tolls and transportation. Now, the honest part, because I'm not going to make you seem like this is a win, that is final. It's not. The agency, of course, as in the other cases, has 30 days from the service of it to file exceptions with the Federal Labor Relations Authority, and counsel for the union says this could still reach federal court and run for years. Whether you personally see a dollar depends upon your contract. That reimbursement came out of specific language in this agreement, and employees will have to show receipts or affirm their costs. The administration has won at least 3 of these too. One got tossed Friday on a procedural bar because the union had already filed an unfair labor practice on the same dispute. Under Section 7116D, you generally get one route, not both, and the choice can end a case before anyone looks at the merits. So here's what I would do today. For many of you, print your CBA's Telework article and its travel and expenses article, read what your agency actually promised, and before anyone files anything, ask your union rep which route they're proceeding, or make sure to understand what's happening at your agency on this issue if this matters to you. Your service is worth protecting. If you ever need legal help, we hope you will consider protecting it together with us. Thank you, everybody, for your time. Take care and have a great day.